short video on how to change the bar on a Stihl chainsaw. Take off the cover. Use the tool that came with the chainsaw. Undo these bolts. Now I cleaned this yesterday. It's pretty clean. Fix the cover. And you'll see in here there's a screw. Just loosen that off a little bit. So 2 turns. And then it's just a simple case of pulling the bar off. And place that aside, and it's all nice and clean. What I will do, give it a wipe. That's the oil port. Make sure the oil port's nice and clean. So that's the clutch drum and the drive gear. So now I'll put the original chain back on. Simple case. Again, just repeating. See, it's just a simple case of repeating what we did before. Putting that on there. Just hold it and make sure it all spins nice and freely. There's no need to keep all this clean, but I just like to keep things clean. It's also good to make sure it's all nice and clean in there, because one of those ports marries up with the oil port and the blade. And put that on, make sure it's on nice and flush. Now, just do them up finger tight. Take our screwdriver, or any screwdriver, to adjust the chain. We just tighten up that screw in the back. You should see the chain coming up to tension. So just nip them up. That doesn't need to go too tight. Just make sure it runs through. Simple. And then start, full choke. I shouldn't really do this on the bench, but full choke. Okay, so wait till it fires once or twice, once like that. Then you can either go to half choke and it starts up and revs really hard, but I just like to go to no choke now. Simple. How to change the chain bar on an MS170 Stihl.